Hi, this is Kosta do again. This is quite unusual video for me. It's because I don't do any unboxing experience. It's not a channel of unboxing therapy, but today I want to share with you something excited I've got just a couple of hours ago from our partner. But first of all, I want to tell you a quick story. Do you remember this phone I showed in my last video about Sony Xperia L4? When a partner of mine watched this video, he immediately phoned me and said, "Hey Kosta, why have you reviewed the Sony phone and haven't reviewed our phone?" Basically, this is a quite cool phone from our partner, which is a company called ZmBIZI. I never done any unboxing experience, and I've got my scissors now, and let's begin. It's because it's a brand new phone arrived to me to Kosta due at PayMob to my office address just recently, a couple of hours ago, as I said, and it arrived directly from Hong Kong, their factory. I hope it will be very cool thing. Let's begin. I'm not very big specialist in unboxing things. Now I am ready to open the box. Ba-bam, ba-bam. Some bubbles. It's the wrong side, but anyway, I'll find out. So we don't need this box anymore. Bubbles. Okie dokie. The quite beautiful and purple package. Oops. Yeah! ZmBIZI. Nice. And it looks cool. ZmBIZI with dual SIM. If I'm not mistaken, it's because it has two emails and one serial number, and it's the device 779 in their area. Okie dokie. So this is the box of a beautiful ZmBIZI phone. I need my scissors again. I want to be a nice person to this box. It's because a friend of mine, the CEO of ZmBIZI, they have been working hard for a very long period of time on this experience, and I truly believe that these guys invested a lot into this unpackaging experience as well. So let's move on. I probably know what to expect because I had the previous version of the phone, but I'm always happy to open new devices. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. What's a cool brand? And to be honest, everything here tells about the company's transparency with their users, with their customers. It's because, to be honest, they have built a quite fantastic ecosystem of added value services. And my tiny piece, my tap to phone solution, is just a tiny fraction of this beautiful device. Okie dokie, let's move on. It's cool. To be honest, it's very cool. And the phone looks gorgeous. Please peel off this mask after application completed. Okie dokie. So basically they've included the screen protection. Okie dokie, let's get rid of it. I like this sound when I am taking off all of this packaging film, and the phone is really beautiful. It says big. It shows the big ZmBIZI mark here, the ZmBIZI logo here as well, underneath of it, and it's kind of a fully transparent phone. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful and it's so techy. Yeah, that's really cool. With a fingerprint scanner, which I like. So let's put it on side and let's see what's inside in the box. Whoa! Cool. If you think you are too small to make a difference, you haven't spent the night with a mosquito. African proverb. Yeah, because ZmBIZI, this is a river in Africa, and where that's where their roots are. Like it. So the package, to be honest, is high quality, because everything kind of looks like a gift or a very special package. Because here we've got the SIM extractor and some instructions how to use the phone in a very good English. So here we've got a legal disclaimer, what is the ZmBIZI ecosystem, the SIM extractor, what I love, and yes, it says that you can either use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 memory card. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Oh yeah, this is a cool thing. It's because ZmBIZI, I noticed it in their previous version, they include quite high quality case for your new ZmBIZI phone. Let's put it on site as well. And the protection glass, yes. Basically, ZmBIZI is a very unique phone, and it's not that common as iPhone or Samsung. Yeah, that's probably why it will be difficult for you to find a protection screen for your new ZmBIZI phone, but it goes with your new ZmBIZI phone, what I like. So, okie dokie, and we do have some charging cable. I believe it's the US power adapter. Yeah, focused on the US market. So let's put it back, because we're in the UK and we don't need it. And basically the headphones. We use our wireless iPhones, but I definitely do need this tiny thing to insert my SIM card. I like it. And yeah, basically it's like a cool package, because you have everything you need and even more. And when I got this phone, to be honest, I knew what to expect, but I did this unpackaging experience of ZmBIZI phone about a year ago, and it was quite early version of it, but this package makes difference, and it definitely delivers success, because the package is very good. I definitely see by myself how the ZmBIZI guys have been progressing successfully even with the box, and yeah, that's really cool. I love the experience when it conveys the company's culture and attitude. So let's put the whole box on side. Oh yeah, and I completely forget to mention that this phone is soundly powered by THX. It's kind of very special audio system embedded. ZmBIZI. Let's put it here. Okay, let's put it back and let's start the phone itself. Awesome. Really cool package. Love it. Let's put it on side. And voila, our brand new ZmBIZI phone. Let's begin. Let's switch it on. Woohoo! Yeah, it's just the phone is switching on. I believe my wife will like this color. THX. Very nice sound. And yeah, let's go United language. Let's go for English. United Kingdom. Start. Skip. Skip. Continue. Yeah, it should be okay. Next. More. Accept. Skip for now. Not now. Skip anyway. And basically, okie dokie. I don't have the ZmBIZI account, but the phone is asking me to create one. I don't want to do it right now for this demo and unboxing therapy, but basically the key idea of the ZmBIZI ecosystem sits here, but definitely you will need to create an account at ZmBIZI to enjoy the whole ecosystem experience. I will tell you about the ecosystem in the next video. Again, it's not the tech review of the phone. It's about just showing and paying respect to the ZmBIZI brand we partnering with to launch together the whole solution of enabling these payments, enabling this phone to accept card payments across US, Canada, Mexico, and European Union later on. Basically, this is a very cool project, and I love it very much. And it's a very cool project, and I'm proud of supporting it and telling you about this phone. And if you can order this phone from ZmBIZI.com, you will definitely support the guys, and you probably will use our tap-to-phone solution inside of the ZmBIZI phone, and I hope you will enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss the ecosystem review I'm going to do later on this channel. Speak soon. Cheers.